Hey everyone, it's Keandra and I'm back again with showing you all how to do a NeutralGlam face. Yes. So as you can see, we're going to go ahead and get right into it with prepping, priming our face, as well as go ahead and filling in our brows. And I do have a tutorial showing you how to achieve perfect brows. Link will be posted in the description box below. So we're just going to fill in our brows. And we're going to go right into carving them out and giving them some definition. Definitely important for perfect brows. Next, we're going to go get into the eyeshadows. I am using the color Tan from the box of Crayon palette by the Crayon case. I'm using it as my transitional color right in my crease, and I'm blending it upward, and I'm just building upon that color as well. And then I'm going to use the color Brown from the box of Crayon palette, and I'm using circular motions on the outer lid and blending it into my crease just to deepen my crease as well. And once again, just building on that color onto that lid. Now once we have done that, I'm taking the color White from the box of Crayon palette, putting it in the corner and blending it out into that brown. And then I'm taking another fluffy blending brush and just blending those colors out. Now as you can see, I've already put on my foundation and I am buffing it out with a flat kabuki brush. And we highlighting. And I'm using the Maybelline Concealer in the shade Stable Sand. And just blending it out as well with a stapled brush. Staple brush. And now we're going to go ahead and get into contouring. And I use a cream as well as powder when contouring, just to carve out those cheeks, give a little definition to my face. And we are contouring the nose as well, and bringing it into the beginning of the brows and blending it out so it look more defined, definition, and look seamlessly. And I'm just using a white shade to highlight the brows bone area. And now we get into highlighting and setting where I placed my highlight. And we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out. I know most people bake, but I'm not the type of person that likes to bake. I feel like it's just a waste of product. And if you have oily skin, baking is really not good for you. But yes, and we're just gonna blend all of that together. Ooh, now it's time for my favorite part, the highlight. And we highlighting the nose as well, and the T-bone area. And I'm using my e.l.f. bronzer to define and carve out my cheeks. And we are back into blending and making everything looks good. Ooh, victory dance. Hey, we almost through. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and wing out my liner. And we're just going to go ahead and fill that in. Telling you, this takes time and patience. trying to get the perfect wing. And I am using a NYX matte liner. But like I said, all products used will be listed in the description box below. Oh yes. Can we take a moment of appreciation for the for the wing? And now I am just using a black eyeliner pencil and shading in my waterline. And I'm using brown as well, and I'm just buffing and blending it out and putting some brown shadow on my lower lids. And we're gonna go ahead and use some mascara and lash time. And make sure that them lashes are safe and secure. Ooh, yes. All right, now it's going to go ahead and get to the lipstick. And I am outlining my lips with a Nicka K brown lip liner. And using NYX Lingerie lipstick line. I do believe that's the shade Teddy Bear. And then I'm using Corset by NYX Lingerie lip line in the center. Blending it out to give me an ombre effect on my lips. Ooh. Now we just gonna go ahead and set with a setting spray. I'm using e.l.f. MAC setting spray. Ooh, I overdid it. And there you have it. You have a perfect neutral glam look.